Today we install a dual drive in a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody in 1 minute. Power down and unplug the laptop, wear an ESD wrist strap, and prepare Phillips and Torx drivers. Remove the 10 bottom screws and lift the lower case to expose the internals. Disconnect the battery connector first to prevent short circuits before touching any components. Locate the optical bay in the existing drive and remove its retention screws and bracket. Gently slide the optical drive out while watching the connector and set the drive aside. Attach the dual drive adapter to the new SSD and the secondary drive, aligning screw holes precisely. Secure the drives to the adapter with screws and seat the SATA adapter cable firmly into the connector. Slide the assembled adapter into the optical bay, making sure it seats on the chassis rails. Reconnect the battery connector and perform a quick power-up to confirm both drives appear in system information. Replace the lower case and reinstall the 10 screws, tightening evenly in a star pattern for consistent torque. Boot to macOS, verify RAID or target disk settings as needed, and enjoy your newly upgraded dual-drive MacBook.